Now see here, a point charge plus 10 microcoulomb is at a distance of 5 centimeter directly above the center of a square of side 10 centimeter. What is the magnitude of electric flux through the square? Suppose you have taken a square like this here, whose side is 10 centimeter. From the center at the distance of 5 centimeter, you have got a charge here plus 10 microcoulomb. Now we have to calculate the flux through this square. So according to Gauss theorem, total flux through the any closed surface is equal to q by epsilon naught, but this charge is not enclosed. So first we have to enclose this charge by drawing here a cube. So we can enclose this charge by drawing the cube. So this charge is enclosed now here, and by this cube. So this cube has got the 6 faces. So total flux through all the faces is equal to q by epsilon naught. This square acting as one of its face. So the flux through one face, that is a square, is equal to q by 6 epsilon naught, 1 by 6th of that. So we can write here 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 8.85 into 10 raised to power minus 12 into 6. When we solve this, you will be getting 1.88 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. So this is the electric flux through one phase.